You really don't realize how massive those microwave antennas are until you're this close. They're giant.
Greetings. Excellent.
All right, I'm here at an antenna site. I'm not sure if this was part of the AT&T Long lines. This site is definitely still active. That is an orange microwave antenna there. There's a bunch of non-colored ones on here. It's definitely active. Obviously they use it for cellular service. We have a Mera tower, and then over there you have an old Nextel sign for contact back when I guess Nextel was a thing. And then over here we have a dish, a big old dish, which seems to have coax that looks pretty decent running to it. Nope, it's cut. This rail would have supported all the coax cabling. There's the cut coax. So this dish is completely dead. There's a little path down around the side here. I want to look on the other side of this building here. So we're walking around here. These towers, definitely, this one has orange and white on it, so these are the right color. I don't know if the long line system used antennas, towers like this. You really don't realize how massive those microwave antennas are until you're this close. They're giant. All the warning signs, which are good. You don't want somebody climbing in here not knowing that everything's on and getting radiated. It's a beautiful area back here for sure. Let's go up around the front again and maybe we'll launch the drone. Now before I launch my drone, I want to make note, there are lots of guy wires everywhere. So I have got to be very careful not to hit those. So I will be flying a good amount by line of sight. I definitely want to get a good picture of that, the front of that dish. Maybe up next to those antennas. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna head back down the mountain, back down this road to my car, and get out of here. Hope you enjoyed the footage. And thanks for watching.